No surprise that it snowed last night, but not too bad. I'm on my way to Links, 1, to teach a class, and 2, to sort of figure out how am I going to start recording this second ebook and which are the vital pieces to this ebook that I need to record first, because there are a lot of people hitting me up about the self-care aspect of it, like my older clients who travel a lot and need their self-care sort of routine now. So we're gonna figure that out today, man, and see what I can come up with. It's gonna be a grind though. Boston Marathon is upon us. That's when the city gets shut down, and it's like all the athletes from all over the world come through. Definitely an awesome time in Boston. Although last year it was just raining hard, like throughout the whole marathon. So hopefully we get some good weather and I get to post up somewhere, hang out, and watch the whole thing. All right, there we go. So I was just talking a whole bunch of shit about how I got to be self-reliant, right, while doing this programming. But my homie Ron right here, I was just telling him about the program I'm about to release. And one of the things that he does is hold people accountable. So I want him to be holding me accountable to see this whole thing through. Because I've been talking about this book for a minute now. And they're like, yo, where it's at? First of all, download the first one. All right, second one is coming soon. All right, the program's already written. So one thing I got to do is just run it by the tribe, right? Making sure I'm going to run the program by each and every coach. Make sure that they can just poke some holes through it. Any like imbalances that might need to be addressed within the book. So now I go into the copy phase where I write the copy. Basically, the copy part is where you seduce them. You tell them like, yo, try this and lose 50 pounds. You know, that bullshit. I don't really like copy because I'm not a good copywriter. But what I would do is just keep it 100 with you and let you know that guys like him, other coaches around the city, all the coaches in my network are going to be vetting this program to make sure that it is the most absolute awesome program that you could ever purchase online, right?
That's right. That's right. So he's holding me accountable to that, man.
Oh, every day I see him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let him know.
So production is going to start this week, you heard? All right, let's get it. All right, class is done. Awesome stuff from my guys today, my guys and gals. They really turned up the heat, and this combination was hard. Oh, hey, what up, my man?
What's going on?
He's about to do the golfing.
Golf fitness.
Golf fitness. All right, so what is it that you do in this class?
So we do a little bit of everything. It's a lot of like fundamental work, a lot of core work, glutes, activation, some myofascia stuff. We do everything that you need to smoke a golf ball.
There we go. So, where can they find you, my man?
Links Fitness Club.
Links Fitness Club. And this class is going on 11 every Saturday, right?
11 every Saturday, and then 6:45 on Monday nights.
All right, so I'll
Check it
put
out.
the links to all of that in the description below. Got to definitely collaborate one time.
Damn straight.
All right, and yeah, let's get to work, man. Let's go. And just like that, it's about freaking 60 degrees outside. At least it feels that way. So I got to just remove all these layers off me. Damn, I'm sweating too. Anyways, headed back to the crib now, doing some more research for this ebook. You're gonna be hearing me talking a lot about it because I'm going all the way in, putting all my chips into this book right now. Everything that I've learned from my personal training career, you know, is going to be in this book. So when it comes out, it's basically going to be like you have me in your pocket. So look forward to that, my friends.
Saturday swim class. So
Oh dear. Oh dear.
So swim class has been suspended this weekend because that little munchkin catching an attitude, and he's also catching an attitude on the swing too. Tis the age. Hey buddy.
Oh, it's wet. Ooh. Did we go get that toy?
August is having a tough time today. I don't know if it's his teeth or what, but kid is not happy, huh? You're not happy today, huh, buddy?
No, very unhappy.
Missed swimming class today. What else did you miss?
He knows.
Here it comes. Here goes the gun.
One more time for daddy. Chocolate, face full of chocolate.
Here we go.
There we go. You gotta be safe.
Safety first.
Safety first.
There you go. Here you go.
All right, peeps. So Gus is with Grandma and Grandpa, and the kids get to go out watch a movie. Where are we watching? 5 Feet Apart?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be watching 5 Feet Apart. Like, it's a bad movie month, man. I really didn't want to see this, nothing actually. I just wanted to sit home and watch NCAA and make videos, but wifey really wanted to come watch this movie.
I just want to get out of the house.
Yeah, that too. We had to get out of the house, man, because that kid is at the age where he is throwing tantrums. Tantrums, man. And like, I can't, like, this kid sometimes, man, it's giving me headaches. And I heard it lasts up till like 18 months, or?
I think that's when it peaks.
Oh, it peaks at 18 months, so man, we got our work cut out for us. Anyway, we're gonna go watch this movie, then have dinner at Davio's, cause hey, we gotta take advantage when we got somebody to watch the kid, we get to just hang out. So that center right there, keep going straight, and then you make a right into that center, like right where that light is.
After the light?
No, go, keep going. Second light. Now the third light, you made the right, where that car is going into. All right, so we're about to park up, head inside, and watch the movie, and I'll report back. All right, so we gotta wait 6 more minutes because we got here early. Like, I don't know, they cleaning inside the theater. What are we ordering for snacks?
You can have those little egg rolls, the buffalo chicken egg rolls.
Buffalo chicken egg rolls, I forgot about those. It's gonna be good.
That'll hold us over for another 2 hours. And then
At
we'll eat
least.
dinner.
'Cause I am starving. All right, guys, so currently we are in Davio's. We're about to have dinner. Little mama orders everything in Davio's, so I just leave it up to her judgment. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you a quick little clip on what we have to eat for tonight, then sign off, all right? The night is coming to an end, and it's cold. We're just done coming from Davio's, which was really good. Dessert was extra good today. All of that was good. Now, back home, going back home to reality. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Till the next time, peeps.